Central Park. There are a lot of shops here. It's a place called Chicken King. If you like KFC kind of things, you can get over there. Chicken wings, Chicken King. The name is Chicken King. So you get a lot of stuff over there. And this is like a shopping area. It is giving me the feel of Powai. And the State Bank also in this route only. It gives me that Powai ka, what is that place called? I forgot. Galleria. Galleria wala feel. So there is State Bank of India. And State is Central Park. And then on the line only there are a lot of eateries here. So I'll just try how much I can withdraw from here. I asked him, the SBI card doesn't work here. The Indian SBI cards don't work here. It's only for the local people. So actually when you're coming here, be very careful with the cash you get here. Exchange the whole thing at airport or carry USD. It's acceptable, or you can change it at hotels also. But normal ATMs it doesn't work. That's what they're telling. Coconut waters in the shops. If someone wants to drink coconut water, it's 30 rupiah, which is 150 INR. $2, huh? How much are the eggs here? 2 rupiah, 1 egg. Oh my god. Eggs are like 2 rupiah, which is basically 10 rupees per egg. Is okay. 10 rupees Indian currency in 1 egg. I'm looking for a gift shop over here. I was looking for a keychain souvenir kind of place, but there's none here. It's all a grocery store. And they accept card here. You can pay by card if you want to buy something. This place is called Amin Avenue Maple. It is just beside the Central Park, and you have a lot of shops and stuff here. You can shop, or close by there are a lot of stuff. But I actually bought chocolates and all when I was coming from India, so I have them in the bag. I didn't eat much of them, so I'm not buying anything now. Souvenir shops, I'll find it and I'll tell you. This is a school. It's nice. And this is the sand. Find sand here. It's the playing area. These are the local shops here. Just parallel to the Central Park shop. This is a local shop. The coconut water like in India. How they sell it on the road. But there's no person here to ask. But yeah, a lot of grocery stores similar to the setup, the normal setup. And ask one of them if they have something here. Restaurant, Bombay Darbar restaurant here, which is pretty good. There's currency exchange also, which I didn't know. You can Bombay Darbar area only. And I'm just going on this road and seeing how it is. Let's see if there's anything else. And there are some fruit shops here. There's some fruit shops here. So there's coconut water there, which is 20 rupiah, cheaper compared to the other places. So if you buy from this local shops, I guess it's more cheaper. Yes, I found a souvenir shop also. Love me. There's a lot of souvenirs here. Let's see how much the price of it. All my friends who have told me to get souvenirs, see this is a souvenir shop and it's closed. I can't go right now. I'll see if something else is there here. So these are the kind of souvenirs you get. There's this white sand and stuff. So these shops are all closed right now. I can't buy anything from here. And there are necklace. I mean that's fridge magnet with the sand. That's all. That's like I asked in one of the shops. It's like 100 rupiah, which is basically 500 INR in our currency. These are 10 sausage. Chapati 7.5. Those chapatis were 7.5 rupiahs, which is, again you can do the maths, and then they were also very. So this is the beach again, Ulumale beach. There's a public washroom here in case you are wanting to go to a washroom. Just close to the beach. The Hatha beach area. There's a lot of people here, and this is like the parking space. It's a nice area. Look at this place, Naga, Royal Cuisine of Andhra and Hyderabad. So if in case you are coming from the south and you're craving some good food, Andhra food, you can come to this place. Because over here mostly you'll get is seafood or sausage. So this is a nice option for people who want to eat some good food from the hometown if you're feeling homesick. And there's one shop here which I'll just try. There are some t-shirts there, close to this place. Let's see if there's something. That Naga place, there's a good shop here. It's a good gift shop. There's no name as such, but yeah, there were good items there. There's these small she shells, these she shells, which I wanted to buy, and it's pretty cheap, 30 rupiah. But then he will not give me a bill right now because there's some problem in the system, so I'm not buying it. Because I don't know what happens in the custom. If in case I take it in a bottle like that, they might just think that I have taken from the shore. I don't know the laws here. Normally, any country won't allow their resources to go out in the hands of tourists without a proper compensation to the country. Suppose you take a purchase from here and you get a bill. Show the bill that I purchased from the shop. I didn't take it from the store. You see a lot of Milo holdings here. Milo is common over here. I don't know why they withdrew it from India. And I love Milo. I didn't taste it right now. Maybe in the airport if I get some. Hi guys, so I have just reached the airport and I'm coming pretty early. But ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ है तो टाइम लगेगा इमिग्रेशन वगैरह में. And this is the sea port. अगर आप उतरते हो आप you have to go to Mafushi Island या other islands. आप यहाँ से बोट ले लो, स्पीड बोट मिलता है $20 में and you can go from here. And even this is a seaport and यहाँ Maldives लिखा हुआ photo का है, so I'm just taking photos here and I'll go a little bit that side and show you guys, but I'm not gonna spend much time here. It's very sunny. I'll go inside and the temperature is high and the sun is so strong, so this is a good area to rest. I mean, it's like a port, I guess some private port. You can see so many ships, ships over there, the behind ones, the behind ones there, and that's the Male city. So it's a little windy here. I'm just waiting here and the airport is there. The airport is there. If you come out from there, if you want to stand here, you can stand here. I don't think anyone will tell anything. So आप आराम से यहाँ wait कर सकते हो. There is Pizza Hut and KFC on this side. In case you're looking for something, I don't know, there's food there. Where are the shops? I guess the shops are there only. So in case you're looking to buy something good, then you can buy it. But yeah, mostly the international travelers will buy high-end Mafushi island stuff, so they just come here and go in the ferries over there. I had put all this stuff on my Instagram long back. You're seeing this video after 10-15 days of editing and stuff after I reach India and do my work. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see this plan itself. If you're not getting a roaming pack, you can buy the SIM cards from here. There are two operators, Ooredoo and Hirago. You can buy the SIM cards a bit cheaper. And Trans-Maldivian Airways, this is the sea airplane booking counter. There are a lot of shops here. Small airplane, small airport. Look at the crowd for the seaplane. A big crowd. And yeah, this is the lounge. I guess for the Maldivian hotel and resort lounge. Different kind of lounge here. And the rest of it I have already showed you in earlier videos. Look at the crowd for arrivals. The crowd for arrivals when you come here. Departure is that side. I go to the departure. This is the arrival. And that's one bank there for exchange of currency. I go to the departure, this is the other end. This is the departure counter. Go straight from there and then get your different stuff done. Let's see if they're around me earlier right now. Looking to pick up some food to eat. There are certain counters in the airport itself. The pizza company here. And then there's Burger King here. Near the departure area. Burger King, there are food items there. Coffee club, milkshake, good stuff. But not for me right now, it's a budget trip. I'm just gonna sleep in the plane like crazy right now. These are the shops you can find here. The Express, Coffee Club, Burger Kings. These are the shops. I'll go for the departure. My check-in has started at 10:35. My flight is at Bombay at 1:55, but the check-in has started right now. So I'm just gonna go inside, go to the duty-free shop and get some chocolates over there. And I'll leave for Bombay. Hey guys, so I'm in the airport right now and it took a lot of time to get the security clearance and the immigration done. So you have to come beforehand itself. And there are some gift shops here, but it's double the price of what they're paying, what they're charging in the city. And there is a Burger King here. You get veggie burger, fries, and a Coke for $10. And non-veg ones are also almost $10-12. Pretty decent price, but I'm not hungry right now, so I'm not gonna buy that. Also, there's a coffee shop. Pretty decent, $10-20, and you can get good kind of coffees. I'm gonna go and rest. I'm feeling a lot of burning sensation over here because the sun burn, I think. So it's burning a lot. When I touch it, it's burning. I'm very tired. I'm just gonna go down, wait for my plane. And if I'm hungry, I'll buy. Actually, I have some money left because I had exchanged a lot of cash for coming in, so that's still left. I have to give that back. Let's see if someone's there. I'll take it with me and keep it as a collection. My friends have asked me for a souvenir. That will be a souvenir for them. This is the shopping area, and that's the food court. And I have to go down from here. Hey guys, so once you come down to the lounge where you have to wait for the plane, there's a duty-free shop here also. and there are a lot of places to eat over here. And I like really this Blizzard. It's pretty decent pricing. $2, $3, 3.5. You'll get good ice cream, coffee, and I'm just taking an Oreo coffee shot, like something like what you get in CCD, Oreo shake, which I like always. Kappa Java, I don't know. I'm not getting the name. It's an Oreo frappe. Yeah, it's almost the same with ice cream and coffee. So I took a large one. It costed $3.5, and in Maldivian rupiah is 55 rupiah. Basically an INR approximately 275 INR or 300 INR. So it's a good one. And there's another coffee shop behind, and the duty free. And this is the counters, the gate numbers 1 to 6. Mine is in 4. I'll be waiting there after my Oreo shot. So this is $3. It's pretty good, decent. If you're here and you're going to take a flight before the flight, you can have this Oreo shake. It's really very tasty. I got a bit of sunburn, so I took some ice. I'm just putting it like this. A lot of condensation on the skin. It's helping a bit. Nice place. They gave me ice from there. Very nice. Very helpful. This trip is done. 30,000 INR for almost 2 nights, 3 days, including the flight tickets. I'll leave the breakup, and please plan it accordingly. You can enjoy here in that much amount also. Hey guys, so I just reached Bombay 1 hour back, and then I booked a hostel which is called Zostel in Mumbai, and this place has like a lot of rooms, mixed rooms, but I got a 4 sharing room, $849 per night. They have this kind of ambiance.